Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the iPhone XR has enough power and a reliable connection. That prevents mid-restore failures. Once charged or plugged in, back up your device. iCloud or a computer backup saves photos and settings, and you'll thank yourself later. Make sure your Mac or PC is updated and that iTunes or Finder recognizes the phone. If not, update drivers or try another USB port. Now connect with the official cable and keep the device unlocked so the Restore utility can communicate without interruptions. Next, place the XR into recovery mode. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. This tells the computer to offer restore options. On your Mac or PC, when prompted, select Restore. This erases the device and downloads the latest iOS firmware. Download time varies with connection speed, so be patient. Once the restore begins, keep the cable connected and the computer awake. If the download fails, retry after clearing temporary files or switching networks. After the restore completes, the iPhone restarts and shows the setup assistant. Sign in with your Apple ID and choose Restore from Backup if you made one. This brings back apps and settings. Make sure activation completes by connecting to Wi-Fi or enabling cellular. Activation locks or Apple ID issues block setup, so verify credentials. If the phone won't activate or gets stuck, force restart, re-enter recovery mode, or try another computer. Those steps resolve most edge cases and get you back to a working XR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.